And there's the bad bunny. So 360 mix here, and this video is going to demonstrate the Bozak. We change all the potentiometers, so all 6 inputs. Right now they're all open all the way, so maxed out. And this video is going to show the balance, that they're all perfectly aligned, as you can see there on the video. And we're going to feed signal on channel A going through a standard jumper card. And what we need to see here on the oscilloscope is just one solid line. If I go a little bit to the left, you see the separation of both channels. And when they both intersect, that means they are perfect right there. So that is centered. Now I'm going to just demonstrate. If I go a little bit to the left, you can see the separation. Okay. And if I go just a little here, I'm just going to kind of give it a little bit of a tilt to the 11 o'clock. You can see that there is a separation there. So we don't want that. We want it perfectly centered as much as possible. Remember, this is analog, this is not digital. So we try to center it right there. That's about center. And this is what we get, one solid line. Now, obviously, it is analog, so, a little variation is okay. We're going to go to the second input, which is this one right here. I'm going to do this throughout the whole thing. This input here. It's also going through a jumper card, and we are adjusting this balance here. As you can see, it is perfectly aligned. That is this one right here. I'm going to go a little bit to this side, and you can see how it changes there. We're going to go back over here and bring it back to center. And there we go, one solid line. And again, we're maxed out. We're going to go to this one now, which is the auxiliary number 3. Going in through auxiliary, there is no card. It's just jumpered into this section here. We're a little off there, as you can see, and the scope is detecting that. So we're going to go ahead and adjust it just slightly right there, one solid line. And we are centered, as you can see, there as much as we can. So we will go to the next one. Now we are on this channel right here, and we are showing perfectly alignment. And we'll just go a little bit forward here like that, and we can see it there. So it's not, so we're going to bring it back to center, and that's about it right there. And there it is, centered. We're going to go to the second to last channel. This is input number 5, which is this one here. As we can see, it's centered in the middle, and we do have a solid line just to demonstrate that we can skew it off. There it is, skewed off, and then we're going to bring it back to center, which is right about there. And there it is, one solid line there. And the last but not least, channel number 6. Now we have channel number 6 all the way open. We have it balanced, and we have a single line. And let's just skew it off a little bit just so we can demonstrate. As you can see, it's off now, but we're going to go ahead and center it. And that is the middle, and we have middle. So what that means is that this one is fully calibrated as best as possible to get these aligned the way they should be. Has nothing to do with the bass and treble. We're just basically doing balance right now, and all the pots. So all the pots are open. We're going to go ahead and close them. It should not affect this whatsoever. We're also seeing if there's any type of static at this moment. That's the last channel right there, we can see. So we can open that up. And we're doing this to test and make sure that everything is good before we actually power on the unit. And we're just running, the feed from the signal from the generator right here to directly into the line of the summing amplifier. And yeah, that's all we're doing right now. So that goes to show you how do I calibrate these to make sure that they're perfectly centered. 360 mix. If you want to any type of repair for any type of mixer, let us know and we can work that with you. Okay, take care, guys.